Invest in Girls is structured purposely to reach everybody. If you are from a lower economic, a higher economic, or somewhere in between background, if you have a lot of knowledge about business or just a little bit of knowledge about business, introvert, extrovert, doesn't matter. There's an opportunity for you during the day to interact with peers, to interact with women who have been in that chair and in that seat before.
I think that it's important for them to hear from successful women because sometimes it's not that they lack the role model, it's that the role models they have lack the education or the advice that these women can provide us.
The girls will have an opportunity to hear from a set of women with diverse backgrounds, with diverse education, and they each got to where they are now through very different routes. So the girls will be able to see a panelist that they can relate to and say, oh, I have a similar background. Oh wow, look at what's possible.
Coming here and them just hearing from other women, especially successful women in this area, it's something that I learned a lot from and I enjoyed a lot.
The next event is sort of like speed networking, where there are multiple tables with only a few girls in each table, and each of the panelists spends a few minutes at each table, plenty of opportunity for the girls to ask questions in a much smaller, more intimate environment with these very successful panelists. After the speed networking, the students have an opportunity to engage in a finance-related event, whether it's a fun event such as an economic escape room, or it's a budget game. It's something interactive that the students are going to have fun and learn and be able to take skills with them when they leave for the day.
Even if you don't actually end up planning on going into finance in the future, it's just a good opportunity to go and to at least learn about stuff and to experience it.
The partnership with the Florida Council on Economic Education has been phenomenal. We are able to plan events such as Invest in Girls, as well as other professional development and trainings across the state of Florida for teachers and students alike.
So we are providing an opportunity to speak with knowledgeable professionals, get their general questions about career answered, help them at a personal level to meet the mission that we have, which is for our students to better themselves and have personal finance education, practical skills, economics knowledge, economic skills, and walk out of the day ready to face the world.